Hello everybody, this is AJ Stakes speaking, and in today's video we're going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to get access to stake all across the globe. First things off, you guys do need to be 18 to even get access to this website. If you guys are not 18, 1, it's not going to work, 2, it's illegal. We do not advise to interact with any gambling websites under the age of 18 or above as well. So, first step, find a VPN that you fully trust and you think it's reliable. Personal preference really. For me, I find that NordVPN works the best. It's fast, it's reliable, and it doesn't lag or nothing like that. So once you have downloaded the VPN, you've created an account, whatever, you want to go ahead and connect it to Canada. So the way you want to do it in NordVPN is you just find the flag here. If it's not there, you can simply just click this drop down right here, type in Canada, and just you can connect to any of these, it doesn't really matter. That's the first step out the way. Close this and go ahead and go on the stake website, click register and type in an email that you do have access to. So for me it's going to be this one right here, right there, and put your real date of birth. I repeat, put your real date of birth, as we will need this afterwards, otherwise this is not going to work at all. This is obviously optional. Code you can put that we have referred you, AJ Stakes. After you've done all of this, you want to click continue. These are just terms and conditions, obviously. Accept, play now. Alright, so once you've gone ahead and done that, you want to go click right here on this little guy right there, settings. You want to wait for it to load. You want to go down to verify right here. You will need to do this step, this level 1 step right here, otherwise it's not going to let you deposit, as you can see, withdraw, buy, or even tip anybody. So you guys want to put your real name up in here. So you've done all of this. Country, you want to select letter C, so it takes you right here, Canada. And then after you've done so, you will go here. I will have this link provided down the description below, so you can pick any out of these. It's multiple choices. I'm gonna pick this one right here, copy and paste this street name, back to stake, residential address, this one right here, back on here, city, copy, paste, back on here, zip code, postal code, occupation, yeah, why not, just put your engineer, and then you're gonna submit, and then that's level 1 completed for you right there. This takes us back to the start of the video where I said put your real name and your real date of birth, otherwise this is not going to work. You will need to provide identity proof. So for me, I am going to provide a passport. So if, for example, I don't think they will, most likely not, if Stake asks you why you have a, for example, German address, but you put your address to Canada, you say that you moved just here, and the German address is the only proof of identity that you can provide. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So after you guys done all of that, obviously these images will be blurred for personal information protection. You're gonna hit submit, and that'll be on review and process. So after submitting your documents, whatever, your passport, whatever you're submitting, you're gonna go to your email on your PC, which you signed up with Stake. You're gonna go to the email that Stake have sent you. Keep in mind, you will still need to have your VPN on, connected to Canada. You're gonna go to that email and click verify email, and boom, that's us verified on the email. Now that we are fully verified, submitted documents, confirmed address, and verified email, will now be good to go. There you guys have it. That's how you get access to Stake globally anywhere. If you guys did like the video, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for some future content coming. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, boys.